What is up, Midway Mayhem fans? This is Dan, and we are checking in from a brand new location for us, the Grove Resort and Water Park. And today is National Waterpark Day. They have invited us out to check out their condos and their Safari Water Park. We got a FlowRider here, and there's a lot to see and do. Let's go! And here's the front entrance. Safari Water Park. Love the play on the name. Have a little sundry area right here. Mini melts, cotton candy machines. Nice big open pool area here. Lots of private cabanas over here and seating right next to the pool. Quick look at the cabanas. So they have a little area here for your drinks, seating area, television, splash pad. Yeah, they got stuff for the kiddos too. Awesome. They have a lazy river.
If you are free again.
Alrighty guys, so we're about to check out the FlowRider. I'm really excited about this. I've done them all over the world, and this is going to be another one to check off on the list. Let's go do it. Yeah, buddy. Here is the FlowRider. Cannot wait to try this out in just a little bit. And we can see right here some of the different options. They have a shared 30-minute session, $35 per person. Option 2, private 30-minute session, and that is $175. two different styles here. You could go with the boogie board or you can go with the surfboard. I've never done the surfboard. I may try it today, even though I know I'm going to eat it. And this is a big FlowRider, like the ones that you see on the cruise ships. And they have this divider, so they can bring it over and you can have two different sets of people, one over there and one over here at the same time. All right, time to do it. And here's where you can grab some food, Longboard Bar and Grill. And we can see the menu just off to the side over here. They have their assortments of appetizers, their handhelds, barbecue platters. They have kids meals, salads, and sweet treats.
Yeah, no, you're good.
Thank you. Thank you.
You're welcome. Enjoy.
So, Thai Culotta. All right, and here are some of the food options that we can see. Tacos with sour cream. They have potato salad, coleslaw, mac and cheese. That's super thick and creamy. Barbecue platter right there with the Texas toast. You've got pulled pork on top of it, ribs, chicken wings, and brisket. And we have over here, looks like cornbread. They have a Cuban sandwich over there with French fries. Burger right here, stacked nice and tall. Chicken wings as well. And then we have a chicken kind of burger here. That cheese looks really good. Man, that has my eye. little bar area. We've got an assortment of drinks. We can see beer, liquor. I'm sure they have wine also, seltzers. They can do mixed ice drinks also, probably, like, yeah, I'm sure of it. Look at those ice machines. So your margaritas, pina coladas, all that. And we also have an arcade on site. Let's go check it out. Wow, a lot of games. All right, they already won me over. They got Jurassic Park. They do have redemption games also, and prizes. Space Invaders. They have Glow Golf, so mini golf, glow in the dark. This is actually a pretty big arcade, but there's a better look at the Glow Golf. And we have a VR roller coaster. One other neat thing, we have a pier here where you can go fishing. Yeah, that's right. And here's the fishing pier. So this is Lake Austin. You can rent the kayaks, swan boats, fishing poles, all that. Well guys, that's going to do it for our video here from the Grove Resort and Water Park, as well as the Safari Water Park. Cute little place. Had some awesome slides. I really enjoyed the FlowRider, and the food was really good. And we didn't even get a chance to try all of it. Condo is really spacious, and during off-season prices, you can get a heck of a steal. During peak times, still affordable, and it's a nice place. Of course, we're going to have other updates from here and other places from around the world, so if you like what we do, follow us on Instagram, Facebook, YouTube, and the website formerly known as Twitter at Midway Mayhem. And I will see you out on the Midway.